Hello bucket list buddies, and welcome to another episode of My Bucket List Day. So today's a very special episode. Today we're going to spend basically the entire episode talking about the winners of the Patriot games. We're selecting the winners and telling you everything that they're getting and all that sort of stuff. So this should be fun, and a few of you are going to get some really great prizes. So stay tuned after this intro and we'll be right back. Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so the Patriot Games contest was a huge success. So we're going to talk about the numbers here in a minute, but first let me say to all of you who participated in the games, it was an awesome time doing, and I think you all had a lot of fun. I got a lot of great comments from people, either in the comments below or on the Facebook page, or even in messages from my website. You clearly all enjoyed that. I will say we had some great sponsors. Full disclosure, I had two sponsors back out last minute only because they are out of stock. They have nothing that they can deliver. So I was a little upset about that. I says, well, what about a brain check type of thing? And they want to get a hold of their inventory before they commit to anything else. So apologize for that, but we still are going to move forward. We are going to have 4 different winners because we have 4 great sponsors with 4 great prizes. And these aren't little prizes. These are really nice, quite expensive prizes that each of you are going to have a chance to win. So let me explain how this is going to work. I spent quite a bit of time trying to figure out how to make this fair and how to make this transparent for all of you. And I came up with a great idea. I have a few episodes we're going to get into a little bit that had thousands of entries where other episodes didn't have as many. However, there was quite a few of you that spent the time and energy and followed along and played and entered in almost every episode. Well, most of you did 5 or 6 or 7 episodes. There's a lot of you that did all of the episodes, and I can't thank you enough for that. I'm glad, hope you had fun doing it. Also, there's just a few of you, or not a few, quite a few of you that only entered once or twice. When we get into the numbers here, you'll see why I decided to do it this way to make it fair for everybody. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to share my screen here, so give me a second for that, and we'll go from there. So what you're seeing here is basically the my data, my page that I put everything in. So I took all the entries and I downloaded them to an Excel spreadsheet, and then I started sorting through them by episode and right answers, incorrect answers, that sort of thing. But you'll see we had 7,215 entries. Now, of that 7,215 entries, we only had 6,563 qualified entries. What does that mean? We had some people who entered that were just not legit. You could tell right away based on the algorithms I put in there they were cheating the system, so the system automatically kicked them out. Additionally, we had quite a few people who entered more than once on each episode. Remember, the rules were that you could only have 1 entry per episode. So it kicked all of those people out. And then the remaining people were people from other countries that tried to play. And if you remember, the rules are you have to be from the United States to play this particular contest. So, as I said, we had 6,563 qualified entries. Of that, 6,233 of you had the correct answer. So that's 78.9% of you had the correct answer. And as you'll see here, here's the correct answer. So these were the key words that the system looked at your answers and said if it has these key words in it, it kept it as a correct answer. If it didn't have these keywords in it, it kicked it out. Okay. So and then here I've got divided into all the episodes down here, and then this is season 1 and this is season 2, because as you know we've been playing this through 2 seasons. So, and these are the fine sponsors that have agreed to supply us some prizes to give away. So how I did this, and I said I wanted it to be fair. If you'll notice here in season 1 episode 5, excuse me, we had 46% of the entries in just that episode. And that's great, that's fantastic. There's thousands of people who entered into the contest through that episode. And then these other 2 episodes around them also, they round up almost another 11%. So if you didn't enter into those 3 episodes, likely you weren't going to be able to win even though you entered the rest of them. So I said that's not fair, especially for those of you who wanted to play or did play each and every episode, and I really appreciate that. So what I did is I put a little formula in here, and if you guys are Excel experts or know how to use Excel, they have a random selector, a random feature in here that you can basically put the formula in here based on all the episodes, and we can randomly select which episode we're going to draw from, and then randomly select the winner from that episode. So that's how I decided to do that, to make it fair. So as I mentioned, we have 4 prizes, so we're going to draw 4 different episodes and a winner from each one of those episodes. So if you played to enter all of the different episodes, good for you, you got a chance of winning. And yes, those episodes that were big entries, thousands of people entered, they still have a shot to win too, because who knows, it may pick one of those. So let's get started. Click on the randomizer, and we're going to see what it selects. So I'm going to hit function F9, and it selected number 7, episode, season 1, episode 9. At this point, I'm going to stop sharing my screen because, as I mentioned to you all before, your privacy is my utmost importance. I don't want to click on the screen where it shows everybody's names and their email addresses and all the other data that's collected there. Your privacy is very important to me. So we're going to stop sharing the screen for this part, and we're going to see who won, and then we'll come back to that and we'll see the screen again. But this is how it works. So I'm going to stop sharing, and now you just watch me click around here. Or not on the screen, but you can watch me here. See, I'm going to do it. So here we go. And where am I again? 7. So season 1, episode 9. So I'm going to go to season 1, episode 9. And now hit this randomizer for all the people that entered into this. Which, by the way, season 1, episode 9. Oh, forgot to mention the important thing. Ybor City. That was the proper guess. If you said Tampa, you didn't win. Ybor City was where I was at. So in the randomizer here, we are clicking on that. I hit the wrong button, sorry. And so this number comes up to 583. And 583 is going to be Jane L. Jane L., you are the winner, and you are the winner of the first prize. I forgot to tell you what the first prize was going to be. Tire Minder. Tire Minder has agreed, and I'll put the product right here. Tire Minder has agreed to send out to the winner a brand new Tire Minder kit for 4 tires, I believe it is. Yes, for 4 tires to monitor your trailer tires, whether it's be a travel trailer or a 5th wheel or something like that. So, congratulations. Now I'll share my screen again here so you guys can see. Okay, so here we go again. We're going to do the randomizer. And it's going to pick 19. 19 is season 2, episode 9. And now this is the Solo Stove. Solo Stove agreed to give away a bonfire Solo Stove. I love this thing. You guys have seen this. They are quite expensive, but they're virtually smokeless. So if you're ever sitting around your campfire and then you're done for the evening, you go back inside and then you realize, oh my gosh, my hair, my clothes, my everything smells like smoke. Well, this thing is, I don't want to say smokeless, but it's virtually smokeless. You'll walk away from that campfire and you are not going to smell like any smoke. These things are fantastic. As I mentioned, they are quite expensive. So let's see who the winner of that is. Again, this is Season 2, Episode 9. And we will go down to Season 2, Episode 9. Come on. It's a long list, guys. I apologize for the struggles here. There we go. And here we go into the randomizer. And it came up with 47. Okay, the 47th entry in that episode is a Kim B. I'm glad I'm only saying the last initial because I don't know how to say that last name. I'm not even going to try. But Kim B, congratulations. You are the proud winner of the Solo Stove Bonfire. That's awesome. So let me capture that so I know who to reach out to here off this list. Let's go back. I'll start sharing the screen again here. And now let's select another. And it went to 13, which is Season 2, Episode 2. Now this is the snap pads. For those who don't know, snap pads, I have these on my rig. These are fantastic if you're in mud, dirt, gravel. They do a great job of stabilizing your jacks. Also, they keep things a little cleaner, but they're really, really good. And one of the other things I noticed, although I haven't scientifically proven this, I feel like since I put them on my coach, my coach is more stable when I'm all leveled off than it was without the pads. And it makes sense. They're a little wider, a little thicker, a little heavier duty than just that thin metal plate that's there. So it does a lot less shaking as you're moving around the coach. So let's go to Season 2, Episode 2 and see who won the snap pads. Season 2, Episode 2. Here we go. Let's do the randomizer right here. Hit the right button, Jeff. And this comes 147. So let me scroll down to see who won that one. And that is Juanita M. Congratulations, Juanita. You just won a set of snap pads. Now how that's going to work with snap pad. So snap pad, because all these pads fit different coaches with different size landing gear and things like that, what they agreed to do, and they sent me a link, and I'll be sending that to you, Juanita, is you go on, click that link, and you select exactly what you need for your RV, and then they provided me a coupon that I'm going to give you, and you put that coupon in there, and you're going to get 100% off of whatever it is you're buying. So whatever it is you need for your unit, you get 100% off. That was a great, great gift that SnapPad has agreed to do. You will have to pay shipping and I believe taxes for your area, but the product itself will be 100% free. So thank you, SnapPad, for that great gift, and I appreciate it very much of participating in the Patriot Games. Okay, now the last prize. Share my screen here. We're going to select the randomizer, and it is 11, which is Season 1, Episode 13. That was Whispering Oaks Winery. By the way, I forgot to tell you all the different places we were. Whispering Oaks Winery. So that was the answer. Let me go see who. Oh, by the way, I keep forgetting to do this. Pro Aqua has agreed to give away a water softener system along with the regeneration kit. Now, as you all have seen my episode, I have that on my coach. And if you drink the water out of your coach, or you'd like to drink the water out of your coach, this thing is incredible. The water quality out of my coach is equal, if not better, than a lot of bottled water you buy in the store. It does a fantastic job of taking the hard water out, cleaning all the particulates out, along with all the filters I have in the system. And as you saw in one of my episodes, I actually showed on the video where we tested the water against the water that came out of the spigot from the RV park, then my tap out of the spigot or the faucet in my sink, and we compared that also to bottled water, and it was as good as natural spring water that you buy in the store, and better than that crappy water you buy in the store in a bottle like Dasani and stuff like that. It was better than that. So the quality of water you're going to get out of your rig, if you do the same system I have, is going to be incredible. And thank you, Pro Aqua, for providing the water softener and the regeneration kit. So let's see who won. Alright, here we go. Again, Whispering Oaks Winery is where I was at. And put in the randomizer for this. And it comes out to 114. And 114 is who? It is Ed or Edward G. Ed G. I'm not saying their last name for their protection and privacy. So Ed, I'll be reaching out to you with an email and notifying you won the Pro Aqua water softener and regen kit. So that's pretty much it. We've got 4 great winners with 4 great prizes, and I can't thank you all enough for participating in the Patriot games. I hope you had as much fun as I did putting this together and doing these different little episode vignettes of where in the world was I. And I may do something like this a little later. Maybe, as you guys know, I'm going to be doing the NFL tailgate tour starting this season. I might do a little contest about that one as well. Tie it into a little football. Now I know, I saw the comments, not all of you are football fans. That's fine, that's fine. You don't have to play. But there are a lot of you out there that are football fans. So I can't thank you enough for watching. I hope you continue to subscribe, like, and play that little bell. And just continue to support this channel. I really appreciate that. Which, by the way, we did not reach our goal of 6,000 subscribers. So if you're a new subscriber and you're bummed that you missed out on all these prizes, just stay tuned for the next contest that we have or giveaway. So that's it for now. Thank you very much for tuning in, and make it a great bucket list day. Goodbye.